Okay, so I know normally I only make book-related content, but today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to show you how I cut my bangs, because I always do them by myself, so I just kind of wanted to give you a quick tutorial on like if you wanted to cut your own bangs at home. I mean, do this at your own risk, but I'll just give you like a walkthrough of what I do at home so that maybe you might want to follow along. So first things first, you're gonna wanna brush them out to make sure that there's no knots or anything in them. And I kind of have more of like a curtain bang where I go from like short in the middle and then longer on the edges. And then I keep like some super long pieces out as well. So I'm just gonna tuck those longer pieces behind my ears and not gonna cut them. And then I'm going to take my chunk of bangs and make sure like you have your bangs all sectioned out first. I already did from just today wearing them like this, so I'm pretty good when it comes to that already. And I'm going to take down my bottom section because I usually keep that section shorter since I have pretty thick hair. You might want to skip this step. And I'm going to take them and take these longer pieces out because I usually keep my longer pieces on the edges longer than my middle pieces, like I explained before. And you never want to just pull straight on your bangs either. You kind of want to give it a little bit of a bounce when you're holding it. And I'm going to just point cut into those so that they have more of a natural look. And then I'm going to take them up like this and point cut into that as well to make that look more natural. And that is probably as short as I'm gonna take those for now. Remember, you can always go back and touch up. So I'm gonna take this top layer down. And as you can see, they're clearly very much in my eyes, so I do really need a trim. So again, I'm going to separate out of this my longer pieces because I want to keep these kind of long. I kind of have like different bangs than most people. Will just have like this more straight across bangs, but kind of going for a different look than that. So I will trim those pieces, but I'm gonna come back to them. So I'm just taking this like square section right here and I'm gonna trim that next. So again, I'm going to point cut into those. And remember, like I said, you can always go back and take more off. You can't put back hair really unless you get extensions, and who wants bang extensions? So I also pick them up and cut into it like that. Then you can kind of push them out and see what you're working with. See if that is a good length, which that is a pretty good length for me. I'm going to leave these extra long pieces out and take these other pieces down. Perfect. And I'm just going to kind of blend these other pieces a little, just to take some of the heaviness off of them, but I do like them to be long. I think it's kind of a cute look. And then I'm going to take those pieces and also put a little layer in them. Like that. So pretty much this piece is bothering me a little, so I'm actually just gonna pick that up and cut it that way and just cut into it. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Okay, so pretty much I am done when it comes to that. Now, keep in mind they're not styled right now, but I can do a slight style so you can kind of see what they will look like styled. Then I can kind of keep my long pieces out, and that is how you cut curtain-ish bangs. Yeah, hope you liked this video. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed seeing something a little bit different than what I normally post. Okay, bye.